Good morning, KGE. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good and you enjoyed your holidays. Now, from today, we are going to start our learning. So, look, have you seen this book? Yes, I know you did. This is your English book. And this is the name of the book is Getting Ready to Write. Over here, Mama will write your name. Alright? And we will turn the book. The page will open the first page. Look how beautiful it is. You're going to write your section here. That is E. Very good. You are in KGE. And Mama can write your name here. Always write your name on the books. Alright? Write your name here. Now we're going to turn the page. And someone is coming. Who is here? Yes, Bincy. Say hello to Bincy.
Hello, Bincy. Hello, children. How are you all? I hope you're ready to read and write.
Yes, we are, Bincy. Now we're going to turn another page. Look very carefully, children. This is your phonic chart and the page number is, can you see the page number? 4. Yes, this is your phonic chart. You're going to revise this phonic chart every day. Alright, let me do 1 or 2 letters for you so you remember. A, B, C, D, Always put your pointer finger and say the phonic sounds loudly. When you will do the reading, whenever you are practicing phonic sounds, remember to say loudly. Alright, this is going to, once you know phonic sounds, reading will become very easy for you and you'll become champions. Let's move forward. Let's turn the page. And this is the page that we are going to do today. And the page number is 6. Page number 6. Now, these are the letters that you have already done in nursery. We are going to revise them again today. So, let's get started. First, do you remember? Yes? Okay, let's start. U, Y, L, D, G, Q, O, J, T, A. Open your mouth and say A. Yeah, just like eating a rasgulla. Now, you will give me one word with U, and I'm going to give you another one. So let's play the game. Alright, I'm saying U, umbrella. Now you give me another word, babies. Very good. Y, yuck. Your turn. A word with Y. Next. L, lamp. Your turn. Very good. D, dog. Your turn. Give me a word with D. Next. Jigger. grapes. Your turn, children. Give me a word with G. Very good. Next. Q. A word with Q is queen. You give me a word now. Very good. O, octopus. Your turn with O. Very good. J, jug. Your turn, children. Very good. Next letter, T, tap. Now, your turn with Tita. Give me a word. Very good. And the last letter, A, apple. And now your turn. Very good. Well done. Now one more activity for you. Alright. Do you remember this? Yes? What is this? This is your alphabet kit. It has letters. See? It has got all the letters here. It has got 26 letters. We have 26 letters in your alphabet kit. So what you have to do, you will say the sound U and look for U in your cards. Alright, let's look for U. Yay, I found it. See? U. Now this is U in print. And this is cursive U in lowercase. When you will turn, this is capital U in print. So whenever you're going to look for the letters in the card, you're going to match the lowercase. Alright? We will do one more. What is this? Loudly? Y. So I'm going to look for Y. Yay! I have it. So it's matching Y. So you're going to practice like this with Mama and show Mama. Match and show Mama and say the sounds. Now children, we are going to do the writing work. So get your pencil and eraser ready. Alright children, remember, whenever we do our writing work, we always write this date. So we are going to write the date first. Look at the red line. Can you see the red line, babies? We are going to write the date on the red line. So 24/24.6 and the year is 2020. And see who's here? Bincy. She's here to see what we are writing. And the first letter, babies. Put your finger, the pointer finger on the first letter, and we are going to write 3 times. Always use a sharp pencil and use less of eraser. Don't use more eraser. Try to do the work neatly. Let's start writing, babies. Slanting line, go up, come down, turn and take out the tail. And we will say U, Go up again, come down, take out the tail, out. U, U, So babies, you're going to do this work 3 times. You're going to write U, 3 times. Always remember to write from the center. Alright. When you're going to write from the center, your work will be neat. So let's write now. Put the finger here and ready. Just like you go up, come down, but it is Y here. So we're going to touch the red line, turn and stop. Now you're going to do this on your own. Amar ma'am is going to do the first line with you. Let's do the next letter. L. Go up, make a loop, come down, stop. And this is your L. You're going to write here on your own. Next letter. Just like C. Go up now, touch the red line, come down, turn. D. D. Let's do G. Make a C. Join. Come down to the red line, turn and stop. G. G. Now same way we are going to make Q. Come down and we are going to turn to the opposite side and touch the blue line. Q. Qu. Next letter. O. O. Join in and out. O. O. Slanting line. Come down, turn and stop. And don't forget a dot. Not on the blue line, little above. Next letter. T. T. Go up, come down and turn and stop. And then we cut here above the blue line. T. T. Next letter, children. A. A. Turn like C. Join up, come down and take out a tail. Very good. Now, once you have finished writing, you are going to send me the photo. I want to see your work, how you have done. Alright? So everyone, after finishing the page, you're going to send me the picture of this work. And after finishing and matching, you're going to put all your alphabet cards in your alphabet kit, and you're going to keep it safe so that we don't lose it, because we're going to study with this also. It's very important. Keep it safe. All right, children, all the best. Waiting for your photographs. Bye bye.